In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to use ElevenLabs completely for free. But first, if you find this video useful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Your support inspires us to continue delivering high-quality content. ElevenLabs is an advanced text-to-speech technology for creating high-quality, natural-sounding audio, enhancing your projects without incurring costs. If you can leverage its power for your content creation just for free, that'd be like hitting a jackpot. So, let's dive into how you can create a voice at no cost. First, type in elevenlabs.io in your address bar and hit enter. It will take you to a site where you can generate voices without needing an account. Once there, type in the text you want to convert to speech, select your preferred voice, and hit play.
Hello, I'm from Media Magnet Guide YouTube channel.
The great thing is that you can try out ElevenLabs for free without signing up, which is fantastic because everyone loves a no-strings-attached trial. After generating your voice, you can preview it, ask it to regenerate, or download it. However, you'll quickly encounter some limitations. You're limited to 333 characters per prompt, and after a few prompts, you'll likely get a message saying you've hit a limit. To overcome this, click the Get Started Free button and sign up for an account on the free plan. With an account, you can input up to 2,500 characters at a time and have a monthly allowance of 10,000 characters for free, forever. But this is where it gets interesting. On the free account, you have access to more tools that aren't available without an account, yet it's still free. You can create up to 3 custom voices, explore the community library of shared voices, and generate text-to-speech in 29 languages. More information on the pricing pages shows that, on the free plan, you must credit ElevenLabs by linking to their website in your description or credits. Once you've signed up for an account, the tool's interface looks different as you now have more customization options. You'll have a list of all the pre-made voices you can use for your content. You can click on one to preview it. For example, you might see a preview saying, "The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning."
The world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning.
Above that, you have the language models. It's highly recommended to choose your voice before selecting the language model because different voices work better with different language models. Once you've chosen them, the next settings include stability, clarity, similarity, style exaggeration, and speaker boost. The only one often changed is stability. The more stable you make it, the more consistent but monotone the voice will be. The more variables, the more inconsistencies you'll get. But the results can be quite interesting. You're not going to find better AI text-to-speech voices anywhere else, so just follow the steps I mentioned and grab it for free. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Check out MediaMagnetGuide.com for an array of tutorials and resources on diverse topics.